for those of us that are futurists and are excited for the metaverse and are ready to enter the metaverse, I think it's great news, fantastic news. December 4th at 2 p.m. Eastern, I'm going to be hosting a live webinar, one time only, how to monetize in the metaverse. I'm going to be talking about crypto. I'm going to be talking about the creator economy. I'm going to be talking about essential things for you to understand about how to navigate in the metaverse. Because guys, we're already in the metaverse. People think that it's way behind. No, we're already in the metaverse. The fact that you're on your phone, not in reality, but you're consuming things through the digital, that's technically the concept of the metaverse, right? So I'm going to be talking about it, talking about things that you should start setting in place right now as a either creator or a business to make sure that you get there first, because this is the digital gold rush. And just like the real gold rush in the 1800s, it's not about being the best. It's about getting there first. And when we see with Web 1, we see all the opportunities that came with Web 1, Amazon dominating because of they were first during Web 1. You want to take advantage of this opportunity, because there's going to be so many people that are going to become millionaires, billionaires, etc. from this metaverse space, Web 3, that we're entering or that we're already in. So guys, if you want to stay in the loop, you want to get information about how to navigate the metaverse and how to monetize now, today, in the metaverse that we're entering in Web 3, guys, click the link down below and sign up for my webinar. All right. One time only. There's not going to be any replays. There's not going to be any reruns. 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on December 4th. Guys, go check that out. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, all the above. My name is Kenan, and see you next time. A peace.